We are under a tornado warning in the middle of November. Kind of crazy. It's pretty warm out here for November. People will be like, Ashley, what are you doing? You should be going and seeking shelter. Ever since I was a little girl, I used to come out and watch the lightning and the tornadoes off in the distance. My mom just called me and told me there's one about 15 minutes away from here. You know, honestly, I don't even care anymore. I just don't. I'm kind of done anyway. I know God loves me, and this world's crazy and hard and rough, and people are mean, and kind of done anyway. It's my time to go. It's my time to go. Fear is a lie and faith is true, you guys. God bless.